Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to partner again with Clover to bring you another fun craft for your home decor. So I am so inspired by spring and all the beautiful colors and flowers that are out. And so I thought it'd be really fun to use Clover's flower loom to make this really charming wreath. So I used 2 of Clover's different sizes to give a little fun texture and dimension to this wreath, but you can really do whatever you want. So if you want to see the very simple way to make your own wreath this spring, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start using some of Clover's amazing products in your crafting and home decor. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.